Good afternoon, honestly. It is the first day of the festival and I am about to do my makeup and get ready. So Tessa is going to get her nails done, Faith is just after getting a shower, and then Owen is napping. I'm gonna get ready, like I haven't done a full face of makeup since before we came on holidays. We didn't really do anything this morning because the girls went out last night and we came home early. Just, well, when I say early, it was like after 1 o'clock by the time we like got into bed, so it was grand. Today's actually gonna be like a full enough day, so it was nice to have like a slower morning. I'm literally gonna just watch Bride Wars as the young makeup. I don't know why I'm whispering. Like, Owen's obviously asleep, but like I just want to intro to keep your tan looking semi-decent. So I got the Fenty blurring skin tint and I'm actually obsessed. Sorry, I'm probably like really squinty because it's very glary out here, but like on my skin it's a mixture of Flawless Filter and skin tint. I think it looks really nice. It smells a bit weird, but it does look nice. So now I'm just going to go in with my Glossier and then do eyes. I haven't worn eyeliner in ages, so I'm going to wear eyeliner. Face is all ready. Owen is still in bed and Tessa's still not back, so hopefully she hasn't been murdered, but maybe she's just like getting a pedicure as well or something.
Like to me it's just like an English accent.
Like,
yeah, like
who we want to see tonight?
lipa, charli, gorillas, etc.
We have no idea what's going on over here. Like there's this big...
But anyway, let's go get to the girls.
Charli XCX's now, like.
No, she's not. Hi Chua, hope you don't mind that we are actually leaving early.
Go see Charli.
To go see Charli.
Because I'm an ally.
Yeah, ally over here. So no hard
I'd like to say
feelings.
that this weekend is so good, it's so well run. Recommend to a friend. All the beer guys are so friendly.
Anyway, we're gonna go now. Bye! Okay, so I might talk about this again in another video, but oh my god, the transport on the first night was actually so bad. Like Owen and I left at 4 o'clock or 4:30. Yeah, it was 4:30, and we didn't get back to our Airbnb at 6:30. So yeah. Welcome to day 2 of the festival. Honestly, we were so tired from day 1 because the getting home was such a traumatic experience that I feel like I went into day 2 wanting it to be way more relaxed. Hence why I'm wearing like a kind of a cozy outfit, even though it's literally a bikini top. It's not exactly that cozy. But day 2 was Lord Day and I was just so excited.
Really?
Let's fit in my bag like. Okay, so we're just out of Lord. Honestly, a spiritual experience for me. It was so good. And then as we were coming out, because we were in a really good spot, and then people who wanted to go see the Strokes kept coming in. So I was like, right, get me out here. So then we moved, and as we were coming out, there was like a group of like Irish girlies, and then there was like guys like ripping open bottles of water. And basically, 2 guys, I will not disclose their nationality, we're giving out all the free water bottles because, well, they're not meant to be free. The water stands closed at like 10, and they just left all the like bottles there. So then
all I could hear was 2 lads going like, work away fellas, work away.
Yeah, it was 2 lads again. I'm not saying their nationality in case this comes back.
There were 2 Irish lads.
Yeah, okay, anyway, yeah, 2 Irish lads. Basically ripped open all the boxes, and then everyone just grabbed bottles of water, and Owen was kind of dehydrated, so now he's after having. How many did you drink? Here's Owen, and here are his 3 free bottles of water. I just finished one as well, so that's it. Lord was so good. After she did green light, I actually felt emotional, and I started to like, my eyes watered, and I felt like I was gonna start crying. And the only time I ever felt like that was after 1975 at Ariana Grande and the Jonas Brothers and Taylor Swift. Actually, it's a bad example because I feel like I get emotional at music a lot, but it was very good and very emotional. And then we came out just because I was getting annoyed with all the like English fans coming in for the Strokes, and those people were so loud. Yes, basically I got annoyed about all the Strokes fans. So we're here now. Here is our current situation. There's actually loads of stages around. We're going to get food now and then go to the toilet and then head back towards the arena for the Strokes, but like not go to the full set. Thank you for putting up with me. We had a bit of a stressful morning.
Well, not really.
Not really. Just I wanted to wake everyone up, and that's supposed to be it.
Well, it was stressful for you because I was asleep.
Yeah. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the last day of the festival. Thank God, says me. Here's Owen. The girlies were out late last night, so they're going to sleep in until 1. That's when their alarm is set for. And Faith very lovelyly texted us saying go for lunch. So that's what we're going to, or breakfast, and that's what we're going to go to. We're going to go to Billy Brunch, the same place we went on like the 2nd or 1st day or whatever. And I'm very excited. Like I probably will just get a club sandwich again, just because it's so nice. Then I also kind of want pancakes. Anything to say? No. That's pretty much it. The festival is way later tonight. Well, it's always late, but like Megan Stallion doesn't finish until 3 AM. which I just feel like that's going to be absolute like mayhem tonight, even worse than the first day. I'm talking to you.
Oh, yes, I agree.
Anyway, yeah, I'll go now. Bye. Genuinely does look like I'm on a Love Island set. Anyway, yeah, the girls are in a vape shop. Here, oh, they're getting up. They're getting up. Oh, they. Oh no!
Maybe. Welcome back to Love Island. My drink or her drink?
Oh, my drink.
stallion. Who can love you like me? Wanna see body take your clothes off? Come on. You still don't know about me, ask your cool about me.
So our holiday eventually had to come to an end, and Faith actually left before us, so it was only the three amigos left. And this day Barcelona was very warm, so we actually went to the MACBA, which is the Museum of Contemporary Art in Barcelona. My only critique would be that it needs more aircon, but it was lovely apart from that. Then we had this lovely lunch outside of the art gallery, and then we said an emotional goodbye to Tessa, and our holiday was sadly coming to an end.